Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable vibration on Pokémon Go. To disable vibration in Pokémon Go, first of all, open your Pokémon Go application from your mobile device and log into your account. After you're signed in, tap on the Pokéball icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the gear icon or the settings button at the top right corner menu, and within the settings menu, disable the toggle button right next to vibration. Right after you do that, you will then be able to turn off vibration feature on Pokémon Go. You can now exit the menu and continue playing without vibrations. Turning off vibration will stop haptic feedback for nearby Pokémon, alerts, and other game notifications. That is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Pokémon Go tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.